Hi, I'm Charlie Duffy for the Dulux How-To series on exterior surfaces. A traditional render finish is an asset to any home. Today, we have a product that will show you how to achieve that. Dulux Texture Full Cover Roll-On offers a texture capable of filling mortar joints and creates the classic leveled effect that we're after. In this demonstration, we're going to use a full cover texture roller together with a float trail.
You'll also need a wide application paint bucket, some external grade tape, a blocking stone or stiff brush, a bucket and sponge, a drop sheet, a broom or brush, and a stirring paddle. The amount of product required to completely fill and level the mortar joints will depend on the depth of the joints. It's important to make sure your surface is clean and properly prepared. Use a blocking stone or stiff bristled brush to remove stubborn particles. Then, brush off any remaining dust. There are more detailed tips on how to prepare different exterior surfaces on the product label. Before you begin, mask off any edges or areas that need protection. We recommend applying one coat of Dulux Texture Primer to condition the surface and aid adhesion. The primer has a texturing additive and helps build the profile and prevent the roller slipping on finishing coats. You'll need to give the paint a thorough stir using a wide, flat paddle in an up and down scooping action. Using the full covered texture roller, apply the product to the wall in vertical strips from the ground up with a smooth, steady action. The texture roller has been specifically designed to hold and spread more material. A normal roller won't do the job as effectively. It's best to have a partner to help level the section using a plastic float while you're still rolling. Working from the ground up, hold the plastic float against the surface so the leading edge is raised and angled at about 45 degrees. Push the material across the surface to fill joints and any low spots. This process should broadly distribute and level the texture before it sets. Now, float the levelled area with larger, lighter strokes to further fill and even out your texture. You can use harder pressure to fill any deeper grooves or uneven sections. Wait a few moments, then clean the float and lightly finish in circular strokes. Dampen the float intermittently by cleaning it with a sponge.
It's important to keep a wet edge as you move across the wall. You'll have to work uninterrupted to prevent the texture from setting before you've finished with the float.
We recommend a minimum of 2 coats using this technique with the possibility of further coats for deeper joints or rougher surfaces.
As you can see, Dulux Texture Full Cover Roll-On provides seamless cover, an even texture and a classic, attractive render finish. If you would like further painting tips on interior and exterior surfaces, be sure to have a look at our other Dulux How-To series. Worth doing, worth Dulux.